Oh god, I'm so nervous filming this video. Hello! Welcome to my first ever video in English. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how this is gonna go, but new year, new challenges. In case you don't know me, my name is Justine. I'm a makeup artist originally from France. I went to makeup school in Paris a few years ago, and I now live in Toronto, Canada. I started my YouTube channel about a year ago, but I only publish video in French language just because it's easier, I guess, but it kind of makes sense for me to make some in English, so let's see. So if you like makeup and you want to support me, please give me a follow. I would really appreciate. And you can also see my work as a makeup artist on my Instagram. I wanted to show you how we do our makeup in France because I feel like that's a very particular and unique style. It's very like natural, less is more, super healthy, but we still get this like typical glamour look. And also it takes no time, it's like super easy, like boop boop boop, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna start by applying more moisturizer just because I want my skin to be really healthy and super glowy. So I'm using the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. I've been loving this cream lately. It smells so good. It's very like floral. There is like different types of flower, but also the brand is vegan, it's cruelty free, it's organic, and you can recycle all the packaging, so love this. And I'm also going to apply just some eye stick around my under eye. It's like super cooling and refreshing, and it has this sort of like little shimmers in it as well that really does help to brighten this area when you're a little tired, so that's good. I will link you all the products in the description bar below as always, so you can go check it out. We can now move to the makeup. So for foundation, I'm going to use my favorite one that's from Face Atelier. I'm between two shades right now. I'm between shade 1 and 3, so I'm just gonna mix them both, and I'm gonna start with the center of my face because that's the area that needs the most coverage usually, and I'm only applying foundation where I need it. Like I don't want to have a layer all over my face if I don't need it, so I'll really take like a smaller brush and go right where it's needed. And then I'm just gonna start stretching the foundation to the outer part of my face. Then I'm just going to take a concealer. This one is from Sephora collection. It's the serum ones. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to apply it where I need a little more coverage. Especially here. I got a few zits because I've been wearing my mask for like really long hours lately, and it always gives me some sort of like breakout. And I'm just gonna blend it with the same brush that I use for foundation. So yeah, I've been feeling very nervous about like filming a video in English. I've been thinking about it for a little while. A lot of my friends and family have been telling me for this past month that I should make videos in English, which makes sense because my life is in English. Like I actually never speak French to anyone except when I call my family and a few like close friends and here on YouTube. But otherwise I only speak English, and my makeup business is in English as well because here in Toronto that's the language that everyone speaks. So I hope that my French followers are okay with it. Hi guys! So now that my complexion looks even, see, we can still see my skin through the makeup, and that's what I want. I'm gonna move to the powder because the Face Atelier foundations are self-setting. Usually I don't use any powder because I have a normal skin type, so I don't need to. But today I really wanted to use the Guerlain, the Météorite, because that's still one of my favorite products of all times. First of all, I mean, it looks super cute, and I really like the glowy effect that it gives to my skin. So I'm gonna grab a big fluffy brush, just pick some products. Oh my god, it smells so good as well. It smells like violet. And I'm gonna press it all over my face. It's just a really thin layer. Honestly, there's almost like no product on my brush, but I know it's still gonna give me this like really beautiful shine. I'm now gonna move to the brows. So as everything else, brows are like super natural. So because my brows are like really thin and blonde, I'm just gonna apply some hair gel just to give them like a nice hold and give them more volume. And then I'm gonna grab this brow pen, the Lift and Snatch from NYX that I absolutely love, and I'm gonna draw some like individual hairs just so it looks the most natural. For the eyes, I'm gonna use one of these Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick just because it's so easy and quick to use and you get the most beautiful results, like super soft smoky eyes. And I feel like it goes really well with this kind of like effortless makeup that us French people do. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid and then I'm just gonna blend it with a finger. Honestly, it works like a charm. This color is so pretty. It's like super subtle but very glamour at the same time. And I'm just like stretching it all the way up to my brow. I'm quickly gonna curl my lashes. And then for mascara, I'm just gonna use the one from Rare Beauty, the volumizing one. I don't think it's that volumizing, but I really like the definition that it gives to my lashes. And I'm just gonna push my lashes towards the outer corner of my eye just to give this sort of like foxy cat eye kind of. I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit just at the root of my lower lashes. For the lips, I'm gonna use one of these new lipsticks from Yves Saint Laurent and I'm gonna place some at the center of my lips. It's a beautiful, super like glamorous red, I love it. And it's more on the matte side, I would say, but it's not like dry at all. And then with a tiny fluffy brush, I'm just gonna like blend it. I want some like really soft edges. I don't want anything that's like too strong. And I'm just gonna clean a little bit with my foundation brush, just the corners of my mouth, because you don't want to look like you just had like a massive bowl of pasta either. And for the blush, I'm gonna use the same lipstick just because that's what we do in France, we don't have the time. I'm gonna put some just on the back of my hand, then take my foundation brush, pick up some products, and then go very lightly on my cheeks. See how it's like super sheer and natural? And then just to add a little more glow, I'm going to apply a little bit of lip oil. And obviously it really helps to keep your lips well hydrated. And I'm just gonna take the tiniest amount, rub it on my fingers, and apply it on my cheekbones, just to give a little bit more glow, but to stay in this like super healthy, natural kind of vibe. I'm gonna take one of these like really thin Q-tips from Muji with some makeup remover on it, and I'm gonna come on my little moles and remove the foundation that's on top of it, just to make my makeup look even more natural. Alright, I think we're done. Okay, so that would be my super effortless, healthy, natural, everyday makeup look. That's a style of makeup that we do and we see a lot in France, and it really influenced my style as a makeup artist as well. Like, that's exactly the vibe that I love doing. Now we just need a few accessories just to finish the look. There we go! And final touch, couple sprays of my favorite fragrance, the Yves Saint Laurent Libre. And I am now ready to go get my baguette! I actually really enjoyed making this video in English. I feel really comfortable doing it. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see more of my English self or if I should just like stick to French. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon! Bisous!